Okay, dear children, we know the classification. In that, the organic compounds are classified into two categories based on the structure and based on the functional groups. And based on the structure, organic compounds are classified into two categories. In that, the first category is acyclic or open chain or aliphatic compounds. And other one is alicyclic. Okay, cyclic compounds or ring like structure compounds. Okay, in that the first category they are going to classify into two categories. In that they are saturated compounds, saturated carbon semi-saturated compounds. Okay, and unsaturated compounds, you know, unsaturated compounds. Okay, dear children, saturated compounds means the carbon-carbon single bonds compound. Okay, saturated compounds in which the compounds having carbon-carbon single bonds. Okay, carbon-carbon single bonds. Okay, those we call it as saturated compounds. In these saturated compounds, alkanes comes to the saturated compounds. Okay, alkanes having carbon-carbon single bonded compounds. Okay, alkanes having the general formula, what is the general formula for alkanes? You know already, CnH2n plus 2. Get it? ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು CnH2n plus 2 ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಹೋಮೋಲೋಗಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ನ n which is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1 H2 into 1 plus 2 what it will get CH4 that is methane. Get it dear children? Then now if it is n is equal to 2 C2H2 into 2 plus 2 it will C2H2 into 2 4 plus 2 6 then C2H6 that is ethane. Get it dear children? ethane ಬರುತ್ತೆ C2H6 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ C2H6 okay C2H6. Get it dear children? Like that if we give the n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that we will get the homologous series, means the series of with respect to alkanes we are getting. If it is 3 we will get propane, if it is 4 we will get butane, if it is 5 we will get pentane, like that dear children. Okay, then the general formula ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? The number of carbon atom we will get the respective molecule. Get it? Then we go to the unsaturated compound. Shall I rub it? Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ the alkanes are comes in the saturated compounds, that is carbon single bonds irutte alkanes andre the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Then go to the unsaturated compounds. Okay, unsaturated compounds ge hogona. Then what? And in unsaturated compound there are two category. One is alkenes, other one is alkynes. Okay, alkenes and alkynes. What is alkenes? Means what? First we have to know what are unsaturated compounds. Unsaturated compounds andre ಏನು? The compounds which have carbon double bonds. Okay, double bonded compounds na ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Unsaturated compounds ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The unsaturated compounds are classified into two categories. One is alkyne, other one is alkenes, okay, alkenes, other one is alkynes. Get it? What are alkenes? Means the carbon double bonded compounds we are called it as alkenes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The unsaturated compounds not only form carbon double bond and also they form carbon triple bonded compounds. Okay, unsaturated compounds andre double bonded, triple bonded compounds na ನಾವು unsaturated compounds ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. They are classified into two categories, alkenes and alkynes. Okay, then alkenes means the compound which having the carbon double bonds, we call it as alkenes. The general formula for ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು CnH2n ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ, CnH2n. ಇಫ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ if it is okay, if it in case ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು n is equal to 2 ನೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, n is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ C2H2 into 2, then we will get C2H4. okay, that is ethene ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ, like that molecule. Respect to 3 4 5 6 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ we will get the propene, butene. okay, double bonded compounds na we will get. okay, then go to the alkynes. okay, alkynes ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. alkynes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? the carbon triple bonded compounds na ನಾವು alkynes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. the compound which having the carbon triple bonds, we call it as alkynes. okay dear children, in that alkynes the general formula for alkynes, the general formula ಏನು general formula already discuss ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. CnH2n minus 2 is the general formula for alkynes. Then example, if n is equal to 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ we will get C2H2n means 2 into 2 minus 2. We will get C2H4 minus 2, then C2H2. okay, C2H2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ carbon triple bond with 2 hydrogens. That's why we call it as, this molecule we call it as ethine. Get it dear children? okay, these are the classification based on acyclic, copenzyme, aliphatic compounds. In that two categories, saturated, unsaturated. Saturated alkanes will come, in unsaturated alkenes and alkynes. Get it? Are you clear with that? Then go to the cyclic compounds, classification of cyclic compounds.